Entry doors. Dallas homeowners want a combination of curb appeal, durability, and security, and the right front doors can transform the look of any property while improving daily comfort. From residential entry doors Dallas, Texas to premium entry doors designed for busy households, the best exterior entry doors balance style with long-term performance. Whether the goal is modern front doors Dallas, Texas, traditional front doors, or custom front doors in Dallas, a professionally chosen entry door can enhance value, efficiency, and first impressions across the Dallas, Texas market. Entry door installation Dallas, Texas should always start with the right fit, because even the best front doors will underperform if they are not installed correctly. Skilled entry door contractors Dallas, Texas handle precise measurements, frame alignment, ceiling, and hardware placement for single entry doors, double entry doors, and insulated entry doors. In neighborhoods throughout Dallas, from entry doors in North Dallas to entry doors in East Dallas, proper front door installation Dallas helps reduce drafts, improve security, and ensure smooth daily use. Custom entry doors. Dallas give homeowners the flexibility to match specific architecture, whether the property features contemporary design, classic brick, or a more rustic exterior. Custom entry doors, entry door design, and decorative glass doors can be tailored for size, finish, grille patterns, and sidelight options. Many homeowners compare modern entry doors with traditional entry doors to find the right fit for their home, while others choose custom entry doors Dallas for a unique statement that stands out in Uptown Dallas, Downtown Dallas, or Lakewood Dallas. Steel entry doors Dallas, Texas remain a top choice for strength, security, and low maintenance, especially for families seeking security front doors Dallas, Texas. Steel entry doors, security entry doors, and exterior entry doors provide dependable protection while still supporting attractive finishes in contemporary styles. For homes in Oak Cliff, Dallas or South Dallas, steel entry doors can deliver the durability needed for high traffic use while maintaining a polished look that complements the property. Fiberglass entry doors Dallas are popular for homeowners who want beauty, energy savings, and weather resistance without sacrificing style. Energy-efficient entry doors and insulated entry doors help reduce heating and cooling loss in the Dallas climate, making them practical for residential entry doors Dallas, Texas. Fiberglass entry doors can mimic wood grain, support decorative glass doors, and perform well in both modern front doors Dallas, Texas and more traditional settings, giving Dallas homeowners a versatile entry door option. Wood entry doors Dallas, Texas continue to appeal to buyers who value warmth, craftsmanship, and timeless character in their front doors. Wood entry doors can be built into custom entry doors, paired with decorative glass doors, and finished to fit both traditional entry doors and upscale modern entry doors. With professional entry door maintenance and routine entry door services, wood entry doors Dallas, Texas can remain beautiful and functional for many years in neighborhoods across West Dallas and Downtown Dallas. Entry door replacement Dallas, Texas is often the best solution when a door is outdated, damaged, drafty, or no longer secure. Professional entry door replacement Dallas, Texas services can upgrade older front doors to energy-efficient entry doors, modern front doors, or premium entry doors that better match the home's style and security needs. Homeowners searching for entry door service near Dallas, Texas often discover that replacement improves appearance, comfort, and resale value at the same time. Entry Door Repair Dallas, Texas helps extend the life of existing exterior entry doors, especially when issues involve hinges, locks, frames, weather stripping, or glass panels. Reliable entry door repair can restore function to steel entry doors, fiberglass entry doors, and wood entry doors without requiring immediate replacement. For homes in East Dallas, Lakewood Dallas, or North Dallas, timely entry door repair Dallas, Texas can prevent further damage and keep entry doors operating smoothly and securely. Entry door sales in Dallas are strongest when homeowners can compare materials, styles, and performance features in one place. From single entry doors to double entry doors, today's entry door sales often include energy-efficient entry doors, security entry doors, and decorative glass doors designed for Dallas area homes. Whether shopping for Entry Doors Dallas, Residential Entry Doors Dallas, Texas, or custom front doors in Dallas, local buyers benefit from working with experienced entry door contractors who understand both design and installation needs. Entry door maintenance is essential for protecting the value and performance of exterior door installation Dallas projects over time. Regular inspections, seal checks, hardware tightening, and surface care help preserve front doors, steel entry doors, fiberglass entry doors, and wood entry doors Dallas, Texas in the demanding Texas climate. Homeowners in downtown Dallas, South Dallas, and West Dallas can extend the life of their entry doors by scheduling routine entry door services and addressing small issues before they become costly repairs.